Sautéing Texas quail. We're gonna eat it, we're gonna love it. Let's get cooking, okay? I took this from him, I stole it. He'll never forgive me. Let's write down our ingredients, shall we? Semi-boneless Texas quail. It's my go-to. You can get it online. It's very user-friendly. Comes 4 in a pack, frozen. You let it slack out or defrost in the refrigerator. With some green onions, a little lemon, garlic, butter with rosemary. We'll get to that shortly. Make a russet potato pancake with aged English cheddar and some sunny side up quail eggs with a 5-year-old Gouda. Let's make food taste good. Show you how to cook better, okay? We want to separate our protein from our vegetables or starch or whatever because we don't want to cross-contaminate. Very dangerous. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to take care of the quail. It's got blood all over it. We want to get rid of it, so I'm going to clean it. I'm going to dry it. I'm going to put it on a plate separate from the other stuff. That's soaking up the blood. It comes almost already done. Very, very easy. I love it. It's my life. I personally like to take these little guys off. They don't want to add anything to it. They screws up the cooking process. I'm dealing with protein, especially poultry. Not handled correctly, you're going to get someone really sick. We'll season it with our sea salt, black pepper. So we have our quail over here, it's kicking back. Now we're going to go on to our potato pancake. I have 2 pans that are getting hot off to the side. I have the pan for the quail. And I have a pan for our potato galette or potato pancake. We're gonna get our mise en place together for our potato pancake. Nice big, great size, not too small. We have our potato, bam, right here. We have our shallot. Again, I'm not chopping into 1,000 different pieces because I hate that. You can chop them together if you want. Alright, so I'm basically just julienning my potato. Pepper. Mix. A little more salt. We love salt. We have our shallot, green onion, parsley. We have our English white cheddar, Kerrygold. Very nice cheese. Trader Joe's. It's a no-brainer. And then when we have a little bit more of a rarer cheese, which is a 5-year Gouda, it does just add a little bit more depth. It's kind of hard to come by, so if you see it, grab it. I don't care if you don't like Gouda, you're probably used to smoked Gouda. This is completely different. We have our shallot. If you like it spicy, throw in some jalapenos. It's just gonna make it better. We're gonna go right here. See, I don't screw around. I gotta have my hot pan already. I'm wasting my time. Time is of the essence, as they would say. Okay, so that's how that's done. Boom. These guys are nice and meaty, so you don't want to cut them too thin. It's almost like a mushroom steak. It's nice and hearty. All right, so now we have our king mushrooms. Boom. What I do, like I know I'm seared on this side, I'm going to put all my stuff down here, and I'm going to flip away from it. I don't want to burn the cameraman again. Like that. Bam. I've never made this dish, so I don't have any idea what it's going to taste like, really. Move this over there. This going over there. Let that rest. So then here, check this out. So we have our king mushrooms. I know it's cooked because I've been cooking my entire life. Look at that. Boom. I know it's cooked. Because don't overcook your protein. Whoa, nice and juicy. Look at that. Go old school. Boom. That's all she wrote. Some of it's specialty, some of it's Trader Joe's, some of it's Whole Foods, some of it's Pavilions. I mean, depends on where you're at. And yet again, you can always switch up, you know, like we could add pancetta or bacon lardones to this dish. Starch up, protein, vegetables around. These are called bells and whistles. This is like ornaments on a Christmas tree. There you go. Bon appetit.